everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UZALO from the 18th to the 22nd of March 2024 on Monday. Nkunzi takes a drastic decision. Njeza makes up for his mistake when Gingy has to deal with a wounded buffalo. Mondli and Lilly clash regarding law enforcement while Mzamo find a temporary home on Tuesday. Nomkosi's trial begins. Njeza and Hlezipi are back together, while Mzamo finally manages to find a place to sleep for a night on Wednesday. Nomkosi escapes before her execution. Hlezipi goes through to the K-Mesh FM phone lines and stand a chance at a romantic date prize. Sbu agrees to staying with Nomzamo on Thursday. Nomkosi's execution produced an unusual turn of event. Nonka's house hunting is coming to fruition. Madlala wants a taste of Mbatha's money offering on Friday. Sinister plan awaits the township of Kwamash while three fathers fear the worst. Minentle seems a glimmer of light at the end of the tunnel, or sees a glimmer of light at the end of the tunnel, and Mbatha's new image is slowly turning the corner. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.